As you know, the Earth is home to many marine life. About 25% of marine life use the coral reefs as their home. Over the years, there have been destructive practices in harming the marine life. Some of these destructive practices are bottom trawling, dynamite fishing, and cyanide fishing. With these practices going on, over 55% of the reefs are threatened. Most of these destructive practices are happening near Southeast Asia. One of these dangerous practices is dynamite fishing. Dynamite fishing has been around for centuries and they cause very large craters between 10 and 20 square meters. Not only do they kill the target fish, but they also damage anything around it. Coral reefs taking that kind of damage can take years to reconstruct. Another practice is cyanide fishing. Cyanide fishing stuns the fishes. This practice is common including coastal lagoons and coral reefs. The coral reefs in the Philippines have been devastated due to the use of poison. There is an estimated of 65 tons of cyanide being poured into the sea each year, mainly near eastern Indonesia and also near western Pacific countries.
Bottom trawling is a very destructive fishing practice. This practice involves attaching a large net to the bottom of a fishing boat and dragging it through the ocean below. This method is intended to collect all the fish that get stuck inside the net as it is pulled through the water. This was not a big issue before the 1980s because the nets were not too strong and could tear easily. Therefore, industrial trawlers would avoid coral reefs and rocky areas with large boulders. This changed in the 1980s with the creation of rock hopper trawls. This enables the net to essentially hop over rocks, but it also is so strong that it could move big boulders, which has an effect on the marine life in the area. Even worse, rock hopper trawls can rip through coral reefs where fish and other organisms live and thrive. This destruction heavily disrupts the marine life in the areas affected, causing most of the marine life to vacate the affected areas.
What can we do to stop these practices? For starters, we can create more marine protected areas. Establishing more no-catch zones can really benefit us. Stop trawling in general. Banning bottom trawling can really help us. Worldwide, bottom trawling is only limited or banned in small regions. Joining campaigns like Canadian Wildlife Federation, Environmental Defense Fund, and many others can help stop these practices and save the marine life. You can also visit marineconservativeinstitute.org to donate if you like. Thank you.